Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and you are watching online Noorani Qaida lessons. Inshallah, in this class we are spelling the words with short vowels and Tanween. Short vowels also we call the movements. Okay, let us start now. So before starting this lesson, I just want to tell you that you already learned about short vowels like Fathah, Kasrah, Dammah in the previous class. Similarly, you learned about Tanween like double Fathah, double Kasrah and double Dammah. So when short vowels and Tanween come into a word, how to spell that word, so that inshallah we will learn here today. I will read first, you try after me. So in spelling, the first we read the letters, like the first word which is written here. Here we read letters first, as Hamza is the first letter. We read letters first and then the movements like the short vowels. So we say Hamza, Fatha, A. And the second letter we read Ba, Fatha, Ba. In spelling case we are doing this. Then we join Aba. After that we read the third letter Dal, double Fatha, Dan. And then we connect all together Abadan. And keep remember that we will not long any letter here, as there are short vowels and Tanween, so we will not long, right? So in spelling, the letters we read first, and then the movements, the first two letters we read together, and after that the third letter, and then we join all together as I did. So listen carefully. I will spell first and then I will read without spelling. And why we are going to spell this lesson? Because spelling is the very easy way to read Quran with Tajweed, right? That's why I choose the way of spelling that you can learn more easily. If you learn this Noorani Qaida with spelling and with all rules, so inshallah you will be able to read Quran with Tajweed yourself, right? Let us start now. Hamza, Fatha, A, the first letter we read, then second Ba, Fatha, Ba, then we join together, okay? Like Aba, we will not long any letter, like Aba, okay? So keep remember this. We will say together Aba without longing any letter sound. The next is Dal, double Fatha, Dan, and we say all together Abadan, Abadan. So similarly, the other words we will spell now. The next is Hamza, Fatha, A, Ha, Fatha, Ha, Aha, Dal, double Dammah, Dun, Ahadun, Ahadun, Ahadun. Hamza, Fatha, A, Kha, Fatha, Kha, Akha. And the green letters we read in bold sound. This also remember. akha, dal fatha dha, akhadha, 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 hamza fatha a, dal kasra dhi, adhi, noon fatha na, adhina, adhina. So you will not long any letter in this lesson because there are short vowels and tanween you are learning and reading. The next is hamza fatha a, mim fatha ma, ama, ra fatha ra, amara, 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 hamza fatha a, noon fatha na, ana. So remember, here we will not long this noon as it should be long here due to one rule. Inshallah, I will tell later that rule. So but keep remember, whenever this word come like ana word in the Quran, so you will not long there. So how to say then? We will say only hamza and noon, and then with the short sound ana. We say again hamza fatha a, noon fatha na, ana, ana, ana. We will not long like ana. Alright, so this is the word which you will not long. The next is ba fatha ba. The first letter is ba. As you can see the shape, the first shape is the black and it has the black dot. So keep remember this as well. Ba fatha ba, kha kasra khi, bakhi, lam fatha la, bakhila, 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 ba fatha ba, ra fatha ra, bara, ra fatha ra, barara, ta double kasratin, bararatin. So in this case, like there are 4 letters now. So first letter we read, then second letter we read, then we connect, then third letter we read, then again we connect, and then last letter. I repeat again. Ba fatha ba, ra fatha ra, bara, ra fatha ra, barara, ta double kasratin, bararatin, 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 jim fatha ja, ain fatha a, ja'a, lam fatha la, ja'ala, 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 jim fatha ja, mim fatha ma, jama, ain fatha a, jama'a, 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 ha fatha ha, sin fatha sa, hasa, dal fatha da, hasada, hasada, hasada. Okay, we are not longing any letter. Ha fatha ha, shin fatha sha, hasha, ra fatha ra, hashara, 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 kha fatha kha, shin kasra shi, khashi, ya fatha ya, khashiya, 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 kha fatha kha, lam fatha la, khala, qaf fatha qa, khalaqa, 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 kha dhamma khu, lam kasra li, khuli, qaf fatha qa, khuliqa, 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 zal fatha za, kaf fatha ka, dhaka, ra fatha ra, dhakara, 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 ra fatha ra, fa fatha fa, rafa, ain fatha a, rafa'a, 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 ra fatha ra, qaf fatha qa, raqa, ba fatha ba, raqaba, ta double kasratin, raqabatin, 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 sin damasu, ra dhammaru, suru, ra double dhammarun, sururun, 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 sin fatha sa, fa fatha fa, safa, ra fatha ra, safara, ta double kasratin, safaratin, 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 sad dhammasu, ha dhammahu, suhu, fa double fatha fan, suhufan, 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 waw fatha wa, sin fatha sa, wasa, ta double fatha tan, wasatan, 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 ta fatha ta, ba fatha ba, taba, qaf double kasratin, tabaqin, 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 ta fatha ta, ba fatha ba, taba, qaf double fatha qan, tabaqan, 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 ta dhammatu, waw double fatha wan, tuwan, tuwan, tuwan. So here the ya we will not read, only waw and ta, right? Listen again. Ta dhammatu, waw double fatha wan, tuwan, ain fatha a, ba fatha ba, aba, sin fatha sa, abasa, 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 ain fatha a, dal fatha da, ada, lam fatha la, adala, 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 ain fatha a, lam fatha la, ala, qaf double kasraqin, alaqin, 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 ain fatha a, Mim Fatha Ma, Ama. Dal double Kasrah Din, Amadin, Amadin, Amadin. Ain Kasra'i, Noon Fathana, Aina. Ba double Fatha Ban, Inaban, Inaban, Inaban. So it's enough today. Inshallah, in the next class, we will read the remaining lesson. So keep watching this tutorial. Stay tuned. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.